Today we're going to talk about adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes an action verb. It can also describe other things, but we're going to just talk today about it describing an action because it's going to describe action verbs most of the time. An adverb can describe how an action happens. For example, Jason quickly read the book. So we ask ourselves, how did Jason read? He read quickly, and if you notice, there's an ly at the end. An adverb can describe when an action happens. When. For example, Emma left early. When did Emma leave? Emma left early. Early ends in ly. Adverbs don't always end in ly, though. An adverb can describe where an action happens. Example, Lily and Ben played here. Here tells where. Where did Lily and Ben play? They played here. Now we're going to go through and just do this sheet together, and then you'll have a couple of other sheets that you will do on your own. An action verb is underlined in each sentence. You're going to circle the adverb. My grandpa snored loudly. Snored how? Loudly. So loudly would be my adverb. Chloe played on the beach yesterday. When? Yesterday. I will visit my friend tomorrow. Visit is my verb. When will you visit your friend? Tomorrow. George, will you come here? Now this was up above in our example. Come is our verb. Where will you come? Here. My sheepdog sat lazily in the pool. Sat. How? Lazily. Ends in ly. And the last one, Neil slowly placed a card on the card house. How did he place the card? Slowly.